So I do not use a chainsaw every day, but I try to take care of it. Got the battery on the charger. So recently I was asked if I would try a new bar and chain, and I was like, yeah, I think that will fit on my chainsaw. And instead of actually thinking about what I was agreeing to, I just made sure it would fit the bolt pattern and all on the chainsaw. Well, this is the bar and chain that I agreed. Physically longer than my chainsaw. So we're gonna try it. What's the worst that could happen, right? So there's the original in front. Yeah. Starting to have second thoughts. I'm gonna cheat. I don't really know the best way to put on a chain that large, so I'm gonna tape it. Just the sheer weight of this is making me nervous. Like, that thing is heavy. I probably won't use the sound. They sent me a chainsaw chain, but this is the chainsaw I use. This is the new chainsaw chain. It's huge, but it doesn't fit on that one. I'm gonna see if it fits on my gas unit. That is stupid big. Alright, so one problem I had before was starting this chainsaw. I have not used it in quite a while, so I actually don't even think I'll be able to start it. That's the first time I've ever gotten that to start. It's a little heavy for what I'm cutting, but I bet with a bigger log, it's probably a small chainsaw for a 36-inch bar and chain. That's huge. It is so heavy. Like, I need a bigger... Oh my, just to get it up, like it should be easier to... I need a bigger leverage over here. To admit, I was skeptical at first, but even this little chainsaw ate through that huge log with this 36-inch bar and the full chisel tooth chain. It was very impressive.